Today I am reviewing the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that truly elevates home cleaning, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a standout option. Designed for modern homes with both carpets and hard floors, this intelligent vacuum combines advanced AI navigation, precision mapping, and self-emptying convenience into one sleek, efficient package. Let's start with suction power. The Shark AI Ultra delivers incredible cleaning performance, picking up dirt, dust, crumbs, and even pet hair effortlessly. Its matrix clean navigation ensures nothing is left behind. Unlike traditional robotic vacuums that move randomly, this robot follows a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over each section of your floor. This means no missed spots, whether it's under your couch, around chairs, or along baseboards. The self-emptying base is another game changer. With a bagless system that holds up to 60 days of debris, you don't have to constantly worry about emptying it. The vacuum automatically transfers collected dirt into the XL base, keeping the vacuum ready for weeks. This is perfect for homes with pets, where shedding hair can quickly become a daily chore. Speaking of pets, the self-cleaning brush roll is engineered to pull hair directly from carpets and hard floors, reducing tangles and keeping the roller working efficiently. One of the most impressive features is the precision home mapping powered by 360-degree LiDAR vision. The Shark AI Ultra scans your home, accurately detecting obstacles and adjusting its path accordingly. It can navigate around furniture, avoid objects, and even adapt to changes in the layout day or night. This smart mapping ensures thorough coverage, while voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant lets you start, stop, or schedule cleaning without touching a button. Battery life is strong, giving you up to 120 minutes of continuous runtime. Plus, with the recharge and resume feature, the robot returns to its dock to recharge and then picks up exactly where it left off. This is especially useful for larger homes or extended cleaning sessions. Setting up the Shark AI Ultra is simple. The package includes the vacuum, XL self-empty base, 2 side brushes, and a replacement filter, so you're ready to start cleaning immediately. Its cool gray design is modern and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with most home decors. At just 15.25 pounds, it's easy to move or adjust if needed, while still maintaining a robust and durable build. For busy homeowners, pet owners, or anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is a must-have. From its high-tech navigation, intelligent home mapping, and self-emptying convenience to its powerful suction and pet-friendly brush roll, it delivers deep cleaning with minimal effort. You'll enjoy spotless floors, reduced cleaning stress, and a smarter, more efficient way to maintain your home. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra isn't just a vacuum. It's a complete home cleaning solution. With hands-free voice control, long runtime, precision mapping, and self-emptying ease, it's one of the best robot vacuums available in 2025. Whether you're tackling pet hair, daily dirt, or deep cleaning sessions, this vacuum makes life easier, cleaner, and smarter.